Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. If you wanted to make all these blocks blue, you just go over and left click blue. But if you wanted them all to have this interactive feel, one thing, they need to be grouped together, and you'd want to select it first and then go up to edit and copy properties from. Click on outline, color, and fill and say okay, and then put your arrow on the one you want to copy. And look at that. It made all those the same. Now you could do it with anything, any color. You know, if you made a new color, let's hold down the control button and make a, whoop, I wasn't holding down the control button. Make a little different color that you don't have in Corel. You can't just put them over there. You know, unless you put this in your box, you just can't go, well, I want that color. Well, just do the same thing, copy properties, edit, copy properties from, outline and color, and look at that, it put them all in that color. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.